Hello everyone, andito kami ngayon sa New Clark City Athletic Stadium and nagpe-prepare kami para sa paparating namin na laban this Thursday against Tampinas Rover sa AFC Champions League 2. And I think the team is motivated. We are preparing very well from not just for the PFL but with this big na tournament. And to be with Kaya, napakasaya, and it's really a good opportunity for me as well to be with the team to play in this season, especially with AFC Champions League 2. And the team is really getting along. Chemistry is building up from preseason up to now. Being with the team, may mga nakilala na ako before, nakalaro na before, and I think I'm really comfortable playing with them and looking forward to play more games with the team. Very exciting yung to play in international stage kasi before I played around 5 or 7 years ago with my previous team, and from almost quitting football because of the pandemic, returning to professional football, and now andito na ako sa one of the biggest team and champions of PFL. To compete also in international stage is really a big achievement for me. I'm very excited, motivated. I've been working hard ever since I joined the team. Yeah, I'll do my very best to contribute for the team. Sa mga Kaya fans dyan, sa mga Philippine football fans, and of course sa mga Team Pub, iniimbitahan ko po kayo na manood at suportahan po kami sa game namin this Thursday sa AFC Champions League 2 against Tampinas Rovers. Kick-off will be at 6 p.m. dito sa New Clark City Athletic Stadium. At kung hindi man kayo makapunta kasi sobrang layo nito, obviously, meron naman tayong live stream para option nyo rin para makanood at makasuporta sa game namin. Una Kaya. Let's go!